What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy Geek. So here is another 3.4 amp USB 3 charger. This is 3 USB port charger from Eardom. Let's do the unboxing and the review. Jump to the unboxing table.
I gave my hand for you.
Here it is. Yes, the Eardom 3.4 amp 3 USB charger. Let me do the unboxing of it. Let me show you from the back. Simple. Let me open it and take it out. Okay, I already broke it. Sadly, I broke it. Block it. Okay, here we go. It comes with a micro USB cable. Sadly, no micro USB-C. Okay, the build quality is quite good. Can I recommend this thing? Yeah, I can easily recommend that. The build quality is good. It's amazing. How much? It's like 3.4 amp. It's gonna be like how much? Like 20 watt or maybe I don't know because there's no. Okay, here we go. It's like 5 watt times 3.7 amp. 4.4 amp. So it's a 17 watt charger. Yeah, this is a 17 watt. Let me show you. You can. Just watch this video in 4K. You can read by yourself. I don't have to tell you, isn't it? It was me, Jimmy Geek. Check out the links in the description box below. Yes, I can easily recommend. Subscribe. Bye.